This time I would like to show you how to use the filters inside the contacts. So we are in the contact tab right here on the left, and on your almost top right corner you have more filters. So in here we can filter and we can search for any kind of contacts. In this case, what I would like to do is search for any empty information, empty contacts. So let's say that I want to find like all of the contacts which email field is empty. So let's apply, and I have in here 79 records without email. Now let's say I want to know which one of those don't have a phone either, right? Because that would be completely useless. That would be simply a contact with no purpose in here. So here, phone is empty, and there you have. So you are seeing in here 5 contacts with no email and with no phone. I'm gonna close this, and now is your the decision where to go now. So I don't know if you know these people. Maybe you can reach out to them. I don't know if they are maybe family, friends, or anything, and you can reach out to them and get their contact details. But if not, maybe you can select them and delete them. So simply click in here and click on the trash can. How to do a bulk action? Select them all and delete contacts. That's it.